Hi, this video is on how to update one of the Kindle Paperwhites. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and I say that because I just unplugged it. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and as soon as I plug it in, you see a new drive pop up that is your Kindle. Likewise, if I go over to my network drives, I see one that's called Kindle Updates, and on there are 4 different updates in numerical order. And all I have to do to get the update over there is I'm going to start with update 4.1.0, then do 1.1, then 1.2, then 1.3. And 1.3 is the most current version, and you can't skip right to it. You have to drag this one over there first. So as soon as I drag that over to the Kindle and it gets copied over there, I am going to eject the Kindle and do the update. So it's copied over there now, and you can see what my Kindle looks like. The file's over there. I'm going to eject the Kindle. I don't need to unplug it. I can just go here to my USB devices, which looks just like that. There we go. And I can say eject Amazon Kindle. It's going to say, hey, it's in use. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and eject my Kindle. Oh, I can't eject it while that file's open. That's what it was saying if I was paying attention. So I'm going to go back again, and I'm going to eject my Kindle. Click on eject Amazon Kindle. Now you see my Kindle came up as soon as it did that. Don't try to join Wi-Fi or do any of that kind of stuff right now. So I've got the file in there. I'm going to go to the home button. Actually, I guess I have to use this and say cancel, so I'll do it later. I'm going to go, I'm home here, and then I'm going to click the settings button, and I'm going to go down to settings. And then one of my options on settings is to update your Kindle. So here I'm going to go hit the settings button again, and then now I have no version of updating my Kindle. I should have just seen that. Oh, I'm sorry. This version's already on version 4.1. So I'm going to plug it back in because this one started out at the better version. So since it says it's on version 4.1 on the bottom, I don't need to update to 4.1, so I'm going to delete that. Go back to my Kindle drive over here since it's already on 4.1, and I'm going to do 4.11 now. So now I'm going to update to 4.11. I apologize, didn't even notice what version it was on. And once I've got that copied over there, again, I go up here and I say I'm going to eject my Kindle. And it says it's in use. It's lying to me because I closed it. I'll try it again. There we go. So it says right now on the bottom, if you look here, it says on 4.1.0. So now we're going to update it to 4.1.1. So I'm going to go, and now you see update my Kindle. I'm moving with these buttons, and the enter button is middle. So it's going to go ahead and say, hey, are you sure you want to update? Of course I am, and I hit OK. And now it's going to shut down, do a full restart, update my Kindle, and then come right back to where it was again. So when it is done with the update, I'm going to do the same process then with 4.1.2 and then 4.1.3, and after both those updates are done, or all 3, and like I said, this one was already there. I may delete that one because that's just going to confuse people, but if you're watching the video, it's not going to confuse you. And then 4.1.1 and 4.1.2 and 4.3 on through there. You can see the Kindle's going through. This one, I think, actually takes the longest amount of time. One of them is really, really small. You can see there's 4.1, that's the biggest, and then the 4.12 is a little tiny, and then 4.3 is a little bit bigger. But size-wise, I guess we should be happy it's already in 4.1.0. I'm going to delete that one because I bet you everybody's on that one since they were all bought at the exact same time. So there's our 3 Kindle updates that we need to do on your Kindle Updates drive. Once it's done, like I said, it's just going to come back up. There won't be that one file there. It will be deleted when it does the update. So then I'll copy over 4.1.2 and then 4.1.3. My Kindle will be up to speed. I'll be able to connect to the Wi-Fi. Again, just do it to secure. You won't see secure 5G. You only see NTLS secure, and the password's Trailblazer. And then you'll be able to go to your store, and everything should work just fine when you register your Kindle to your personal Amazon account. And there we are, it just came back up all on its own, and now I'll be able to drag over 4.1.2. And as soon as that's done and copied over there, which this one's teeny tiny, so it's going to happen really fast, I can then go down here again, eject my Amazon Kindle. It says I'm still in use, which is a lie. There we go, eject Amazon Kindle. And now I can do the same thing over again on the Kindle. And I'm not going to do this the third time because you will have gotten the idea. I hit the settings button, go to settings, hit enter, and then I hit the settings button again, and I say update your Kindle. And this one obviously will happen, enter again for the OK. It's going to happen far faster, and that's all it takes to update your Kindle once you go through all three of those.